One of the aspects of Indian cinema in which creators definitely have a long way to go is the development of technology and skilled individuals with respect to special effects. Even though the development is clearly visible with more and more impressive sequences to witness on the big screen, there seems to be a large gap between our execution and that of international standards. It's rather unsettling when we notice poorly rendered and sort of video game-like images on big budget commercial films. And discussing just some of these embarrassing moments, here is Tried and Refused Productions, with 5 hilarious Indian movie special effects that made audiences cringe. मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. As you know, our favorite movie to talk about is मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. A movie with Oscar-winning performances is one that will always remain in this channel's favorite list. However, of course, we cannot ignore the movie when it comes to its exceptional special effects as well. It's one thing to animate a talking parrot who constantly meddles into conversations, but what took the case for us and proved to us that the creators gave little to no shits about creating a perfect package was how the dog, rather than just being naturally menacing, became an actual cartoon that changes color when it's instructed to attack someone. How people thought that this was effective and great work is something we won't understand. I feel like the editor may have showed this to the director and said this.
तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Jaani Dushman, Ek Anokhi Kahani. Jaani Dushman is famous with Indian audiences for all the wrong reasons. Some of them include Sonu Nigam's impeccable acting and some well-written, heart-touching dialogues. But what fails to ever skip a beat is the impressive special effects in the film. In one of the scenes, as Sonu Nigam tells the married couple excitedly to go for their Sohagrat, they do the needful. But the bride seems to transform into a skeleton mid-romance. The least scary and comical ghost transformation has to go to this scene. The skeleton literally steps out of her attire, walks towards the husband, attacks, throws him out of the window. Bhai, इस scene से अच्छा कुछ नहीं है. Mausam, an extremely disappointing film which surprised everyone for all the wrong reasons, was the 2011 Shahid Kapoor and Sonam Kapoor starrer Mausam, a film about two individuals who cross paths over several years. The premise covering every major event taking place in the world, from 9/11 to the Bombay riots, the Kargil war to the Godhra riots. However, one of the sequences which was poorly executed that left a sour taste in our mouth when Shahid's character Harry gets selected as a leader for a special bombing over Tiger Hill. The mission is successful, but his aircraft malfunctions and crashes, leading him to be in a critical condition in the hospital. The entire aerial sequence was rushed, abrupt, and amateurish, not exhilarating in any way. The final edit also cuts abruptly, proving that the creators didn't really put much effort into this sequence. Padmavat. There is no doubt about the fact that Padmavat was cinematically brilliant and a treat to watch for its performances, set design, costume, and just transporting us to the world of Malik Muhammad Jayasi packed with conflict and turmoil. However, we hope that you guys had the same problem with the film as we did, especially in its initial running minutes. As Alauddin Khilji, played by Ranveer Singh, is introduced, we see him offer Jalauddin Khilji, played by Raza Murad, an ostrich in return for Mehrunissa's hand in marriage. However, the ostrich looked nothing short of a background animal in a first shooter game, looking jarringly different and detached from its surroundings. It made the premise even less believable. Half Girlfriend. The movie with its heart-touching music and impressive trailer really made audiences believe that they will be in store for an epic love story. Story aside, the level of absurdity in the film is that both the characters just go back and forth, uniting and parting ways constantly, making for a romantic drama that was a huge disappointment. The sequences that have been obviously digitally mastered are executed extremely poorly, and these include when Shraddha Kapoor's character gets sad and just chills on top of India Gate. Cause you know, हम दिल्ली वाले जब भी sad होते हैं, हम India Gate चढ़ते हैं. And when Bill Gates visits Madhav's village, you can clearly tell that it's some man they've placed over there and awkwardly digitally placed Bill Gates' head on his body. The final product is nothing short of embarrassing. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.